This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Cheri Mulhare. Perfect open floor plan with 2 ensuite bedrooms. An amazing kitchen in Braemar Creek, with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Remodeling included taking the kitchen wall down to create a beautiful open area with bar counter. The 2 large bedroom suites have large closets and plenty of natural light. Notice the bathroom with new flooring, counters and tiles shower. The end unit condo is close to schools, shopping, gyms and 50-mile cap-to-cap trail. For more information, review the details below or contact Cheri Mulhare at 757-220-9500.